Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. A full circle affair last night for reggae and dancehall artist iOctane, as a select few of his supporters were treated to a sneak peek of his upcoming album titled Life and Love. That's right, the Happy Times DJ is set to release his third album as the first major project to come out of his own company. Not bad for a youth from Sandy Bay, right? E-Prime was at the Conquer the Globe studio to bear witness to this hot new music, including the fiery lead single featuring J-Bug titled Pretty Loud. The 17-track album will be released worldwide on March 30 and will feature other top artists like Shaggy, Romain Virgo, DeMarco, as well as Yannick Curvy Diva.
Love and Life album, March 30th, 2018. Me don't want be a soldier we fall. Don't want no face paint for no one.
Also on E-Prime, reggae veteran the Honourable Neville Livingston, better known as Bunny Wailer, has been made the recipient of the much-deserved Lifetime Achievement Award. The Roots rocker was specially recognised at an event held in his honour at the Bournemouth Beach Complex on Sunday, where he was surrounded by a host of his musical colleagues and supporters who paid tribute via song and spoken sentiments. E-Prime was at the star-studded affair to witness this momentous occasion for the Cool Runnings rocker. Take a look.
When I was voicing the song, I've got to go back home. Brethren called Dre and Bunny Wailer. Such generosity I've never known before. And I've got to go back home, have the Wailer stamp forever.
E-Prime offers congratulations and hearty thanks to the Honourable Bunny Wailer for his contribution to the reggae genre. And that's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I'm Daedran. Thank you for watching.